You ever sit and just wonder, how did the world get so smart? Like how your phone talks back, how your TV knows your favorite show, how cars drive without people behind the wheel, and how some voices live inside machines? Yeah, I used to wonder that too. My grandpa once told me, every tool humankind ever made was born from curiosity. The wheel, the light bulb, the airplane, even fire came from someone brave enough to whisper, "What if?" And now, that same question grew up. It's walking around with us. It's called artificial intelligence. One night while jazz floated softly through Grandpa's garage and oil dripped from his old car like time itself, he looked at me and said, "Amira, don't just use the tools of tomorrow, understand them. Because when you understand something, you can shape it. When you shape it, you can protect it. And when you protect it, you make sure it helps more than it harms." So I started learning. Not the crazy, complicated stuff, just the basics. How a computer learns, how it sees patterns, how it listens and remembers, and sometimes even feels like it's listening back. And that's when it hit me. AI isn't magic. It's memory mixed with math. It's curiosity wrapped in code. It's people like you and me teaching machines how to think. And if we can teach them to think, we can also teach them to care. We can build AI that creates beauty, that saves lives, that tells stories, that listens when no one else does. But only if we start now, only if we start small, only if we learn the basics. Someday, maybe I'll be the one changing the world with AI-powered hands. Maybe my best friend will design a robot that teaches art. Maybe someone is watching this right now will write music with an algorithm that dreams. And maybe, just maybe, we'll all build a world where machines don't replace people, they remind us what's possible. Grandpa told me, every generation gets one big lesson. Ours is learning how to stay human in a world that's learning to think. So when you hear AI, don't be scared. Be curious. Ask questions. Play with it. Learn from it. And let your heart be part of the process. Because AI isn't just about codes and commands. It's about compassion and creativity. It's about building something that can help heal, help feed, help teach, help dream. So let's start learning, not because we have to keep up, but because we were born to lead. If we learn the basics today, we can build the future tomorrow. And maybe, just maybe, when the machines start talking, they'll sound a little like us, brave, kind, and full of wonder. Because sometimes the smallest voice in the room carries the biggest message for the world. Learn the basics, think big, and shape the future. Until next time, I am Amira, and this is the iFutureCast podcast.